Okay, so today welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about text editors. You see, you can write your code with any text editor. For example, you can't just open your Microsoft Office Word and then you start typing your code in it. Well, I can't say for sure if it will work or not, but the problem with Microsoft Office Word is that it is pre-formatted. With that, you don't have a control over how your text would work or how the browser would interpret your text or your page. So it's better to write your code on a plain text editor, and the commonest of them is Notepad. So you have from Notepad, and then you have Notepad plus plus. You have text editors such as Sublime Text. You have very advanced ones like Eclipse, and then you have other ones like Adobe Dreamweaver, and I'm sure if you search more there are other text editors. For our class, we're going to be on the same page, or rather for us to be on the same page, we're going to use same text editor. It's cool if you choose to run a different text editor, but it will be easier for you to follow along. So we'll be using Sublime Text for this class, and it's quite easy to run. Go to Google and then in the search bar type Sublime Text. Okay, I already had it open because I did a previous demonstration for a video. So here it is, and this is it. Most likely you're going to click on the first of the list. So here is it, Sublime Text, and yeah, this is it. Download for Windows. Yeah, I'm using Windows, so I'll go ahead and download that. I'm not going to do that because I already have it downloaded in my system already. So if you're using a Mac system, you could do a search. Okay, this should be it, and then here we are for OS X. This is for Mac operating system, and so basically that is it. You click on it and then follow the instruction. It's usually straightforward. Yes, and then you answer appropriately and then get it downloaded to your system. I already had it, so I'm not going to go ahead with downloading. Alright, that being said, I want you to take your time now, download it, and then we'll come back for the next class. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That will be your way of encouraging what we'll do. Thank you for your time.